I know all my videos are very short and quick as of late, but here's an even quicker one. I've had a lot of people asking what miles per gallon I get in the Cayenne, or Cayenne, however you pronounce it. I've not looked properly before, so I changed the battery, I think it was 2 weeks ago, maybe it's 3, and I've only been running around the doors since then. Had a race with something, what was it, a Range Rover Sport yesterday, I think it was. It was the petrol one, supercharged something or other. Anyway, let's find out what the miles per gallon I'm getting is. So, key in. Any time to do.
A few moments later.
Better turn that off for copyright. Oops. What an idiot. While we're waiting there, the Impreza round the doors gets 25 miles to the gallon, give or take. Obviously off boost. On a run, I can get 32 to 35, again off boost. I'm into single figures when I'm on boost. So let's find out what this is getting. Trip computer, go. I have to start the engine. Ha! 13.2 over the last 123 miles. Wow. Doesn't that just sum it up for you? But I didn't buy it for its miles per gallon record setting, did I? So there you go, if you're after a Cayenne, that's the miles per gallon that you're going to get. And I should have a video shortly with the Impreza back on the road. Hopefully. It's January now and I plan to get it out in March, but I've got a few jobs I'm wanting to do to it. I'm wanting to run methanol, 20% mix in the tank as well. But we shall see. Bon voyage.